Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic of My English Reader, Where There's a Will, the Fearless Fighter. Before proceeding further, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. The Fearless Fighter is a story about a girl, Janki. She was very nervous because she is going to face an interview with English Channel Swimming Association. Everybody was shocked to see a physically challenged girl who had come all the way from India to England to participate in an event where she would need all her strength. She was attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. However, she wishes to swim the channel, and for that she has to fulfill two conditions. She said to the members that she has been informed about this and she is ready to do that, and she shows her certificate. She has trained herself by swimming 20 kilometers upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. That's lot of courage, said one of the association members. Janki smiled and she showed her other certificates. All the officials of English Channel Association were impressed, and finally they had to give her the permission to swim. Although Janki wanted to make a solo attempt, but she could not do so because the special board needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. So it was decided by the members of English Channel Association that she would be a part of a relay team that had mainly American swimmers. On July 28, 1992, the day has come on that she has to create the history. It was the day to fulfill her life's ambition, her ambition to swim the English Channel. Janki could hardly breathe because of excitement. The ocean seemed more challenging than ever before, but nothing would shake Janki's determination to win. Means she was very determined that she has to win. Her heartbeat was uncontrollable. She could see her teammates swimming closer towards her. Within a second, it will be her turn to swim, and she was thinking, what if her determination fails? What if she can't swim? Janki put aside all these thoughts and tried to concentrate on the event. But before she could realize this, Janki was able to swim the channel. She could hardly believe it, but she had a tough fight ahead. Most of her energy was taken up by the waves that kept moving her legs sideways, and the channel water that was very cold. The water was so salty that every time it entered to her mouth, which made her pick seeds. The seaweed and the jellyfish kept sticking on her body and made her extremely uncomfortable. Despite of all these difficulties, she swam the English Channel. A strange sense of fulfillment and an undying spirit of achievement had overtaken all the difficulties. She could swim for 2 hours and a half in the channel and gave the world an outstanding example of courage and determination. Janki later remarked that one can overcome all the obstacles by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. And so did she does the same thing. She fought against her limitations and won the battle. Dear students, based on our today's session, here is an assignment for you. On the basis of your reading of the passage, tick the correct answers. Write true or false for the statement. Janki underwent very difficult training to achieve her ambition. Imagine how she would have felt if for any reason she had not achieved victory in the relay across the English Channel. Do you think she would have given up swimming or she would have worked harder next time? Which of the Janki's qualities do you admire the most? What do you think is the secret of Janki's success? Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.